Assalamu alaikum everybody. Chicken Katsu is a Japanese recipe that involves frying chicken, ideally chicken breast, coated in panko breadcrumbs, which are a type of Japanese breadcrumbs that come from a bread that is cooked via electricity instead of heat. So, to start off, get yourself some chicken breast, as much as you'd like, and split it in half, lengthwise. Then, proceed to season your chicken breast with salt and black pepper on either sides. Make sure you pat the seasoning into the meat and then let it sit outside for about 30 minutes just to let the seasoning get into the meat and therefore giving you a much tastier product. For the breading station, get 1 cup of plain flour and your panko breadcrumbs. Make sure these are true Japanese panko breadcrumbs, otherwise if you use any other regular type of breadcrumbs, this wouldn't be chicken katsu. Separate about a cup or a cup and a half of this, and then in a separate bowl crack 4 large eggs and beat them until they are smooth. This will help the breadcrumbs stick to the chicken. So grab 1 piece of chicken breast, dip it in the beaten eggs, and then coat it with the plain flour as shown. Make sure you get either sides and try to cover all the wet spots. Shake off any excess and back it goes into the eggs and finally into panko breadcrumbs. Again, make sure you coat either sides without leaving any wet spots. Place a large frying pan onto a medium to low heat and add enough oil so that the chicken is half submerged during the frying process. And when the oil gets sufficiently hot, add in the chicken. Let it cook for a few minutes on either sides or until the breadcrumbs become golden brown as shown. Once they're cooked, take them out of the frying pan onto a wire rack, ideally, so that they cool faster and they remain crisp. Listen to this crispness test. As you can see, the chicken is not overly cooked. It's still juicy and tender. So this is it from me. Well done. Allah Hafiz.